U MLA Barim ka Kharkutta Konstitwensi, Paderu ukatong ka Congress, u Omailo ke sangma hakalai potari ukala lingkot, ula Pynïasoh baka Seng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP hatura. Habakran bekilat pathai kubor, usangma ulaong, boladan ha ka Seng Congress labun sinem, Henry kayaidan ka jingbam sap hapo ka Seng. Ula kam baka daw ba, jong ka jingmi no jong u na ka Seng, ka day na ka daw jong ka jingbam sap.
Today, I have come to Thura, BJP district headquarters. My intention arrival here is that I and my colleagues and so many party members were there in Congress party for long years. We have organized the fragmented party. But this fragmented party still persists the corruption. So we don't want to tolerate this kind of corruption in the Congress party. That is why we have resigned en masse. I, one of the leader, then other president, secretary, all executive members, or all our supporters have resigned en masse yesterday from Congress party. So we have searched which is the party will bring the development, peaceful and corruption free in India. We know Modi and Amit Shah is the only person who can make the India free of corruption. With that intention, we have come together, we have decided together to help BJP party to flourish our country.